how to change the theme of your Discord. Today guys, I will show you how to change the theme of your Discord. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. And now let's start. Go first to Discord and open it. After this, when your Discord is opening, you will just go down here and click. Then when it's opening, you will go down to accessibility or appearance. Then you will find here theme. You will change it, for example, to light like this, or dark, light or dark, like everyone everything you want. And that's it. I hope this video is useful and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next video.